Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallow squishy. To achieve that perfect soft texture, start by heating your marshmallows. A quick zap in the microwave for about 10 to 15 seconds can work wonders. Alternatively, you can gently warm them in a double boiler. The key is to apply just enough heat to soften them without melting completely. This initial step is crucial for enhancing their natural elasticity and making them delightfully pliable. Once softened, you can further enhance their squishiness and flavor. Consider adding a tiny amount of food-grade glycerin, perhaps 1/4 of a teaspoon, to the mixture. This helps retain moisture and keeps them soft longer. For an extra treat, mix in a few drops of your favorite extract, like vanilla or peppermint. After handling, a light dusting of powdered sugar and cornstarch will prevent them from sticking together, making them easier to enjoy. Proper storage is essential to maintain that wonderful squishy texture. Always keep your marshmallows in an airtight container to prevent them from drying out. A cool, dry pantry is ideal, as direct sunlight or extreme temperatures can affect their consistency. If they start to lose their squishiness over time, a very brief reheat in the microwave, just 5 to 10 seconds, can often revitalize them. This simple trick brings back their soft, yielding quality. Now that you have perfectly squishy marshmallows, the possibilities are endless. They are fantastic in a warm mug of hot chocolate, melting into a creamy, sweet topping. You can also use them to elevate your s'mores experience, creating an extra gooey treat. For baking, they make wonderful, soft decorations for cakes and cupcakes. And speaking of smart choices, if you're looking to make smart financial decisions, check out the link in the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Enjoy your squishy creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.